two aspects to this slide. One is what is there on the left hand side, one is what is there on the right hand side. Please correlate and tell us what is this.
Yes, I have seen a lot of my friends in Goa. If there is a family of 4 people, I've noticed that each one of them has a car or a vehicle in the state of Goa. That's because I come from Andhra Pradesh, and when I was a kid or even today, you can just go out onto the street, you can take an auto and go to any place you want, or you can book an app-based taxi or an app-based auto. But here in the state of Goa, because general public do not have any convenience of booking an app-based auto or a taxi, they often resort to having private vehicles.
Yes.
And in order to avoid dependency on anybody, that my father has to drop me or somewhere, or my husband has to drop me somewhere, each one of them try to own their own car. So you can see from the right side statistics that overall in India, for every 1,000 population, if there are 246 registered vehicles, in the state of Goa, there are almost 4 times that of the vehicles.
Yeah.
Now, how does this impact our daily life?
So I think only children below 10 don't have vehicles as far as Goa is concerned. If we take the statistics, 882, and if you take the 1,000, population is the population. So it looks like only children who are below the age of 10 are not having vehicles right now. Every adult has a vehicle.
No, generally it is expected that the vehicular density in a state like Goa will be higher than that of India. That is because there is so much of...
almost 3 times higher.
But that is because there is so much of tourist footfall in the state of Goa. So naturally it is expected to be higher. But what I am trying to say is that we can reduce it and we can minimize the private self-driven roads. So therefore the problem of not having app-based taxi impacts each one of us on our daily life. So how does that impact is given as a pointers on the left side. So obviously with more number of private vehicles or self-driven vehicles will be on the roads, which leads to congestions and parking overflows. And where there are more vehicles, obviously the probability of road accidents also will increase. Then if you also look at some critical vulnerable sections of the society, like women, senior citizens, differently abled, for their work or for some other purpose, if they want to move from one place of Goa to another place, unless they have their own self-driven vehicle or somebody is driving them, it's not possible to move them. So more vehicles will also add more pollution to our air, and then it also can have an impact on the state because it's adding more pollution and traffic congestion. So all these things impact each one of our daily life.